When I was making my decision for college, I was really kind of on the fence. I was between a lot of different universities, but the person that kind of helped me make that decision was my tour guide here at CNU. When I came to visit, it was a really rainy morning and I wasn't sure how much I would love the school, but the tour guide really spoke about the community and the people here that really care about you, and those weren't things that I considered when choosing a university, but then coming to CNU and learning about that, it's when I realized that's the only thing I did want in a university.
Going to a smaller university is something really special because the professors, the faculty, the staff are really invested in you as a person, not only in your education, but in your personal and professional growth as well.
It was not hard at all to find friends in the very beginning. I had a bunch of people on my hall that I was able to meet. When I was moving in, people held the doors open just so that they could meet people. And then also the people on that hall I would see in my classes too, so it was really easy getting to know them. And also people are just so encouraging to meet you and bring you out to different events so that you can get involved on campus too. So I met more friends through that as well.
My favorite memory of CNU is having the opportunity to travel. There's a lot of organizations here that really promote that, and especially going to study abroad in the Netherlands was one of the best times I've had my entire life, much less throughout my college journey.
For fun outside the classroom, I like to get together with a lot of my friends. I'm also in a social sorority, so I like to hang out with them. We sometimes will just go grocery shopping, or there's a movie theater nearby.
For fun, I like to go to the beach probably once a week. I know it's a lot, but that's my happy place. Also, Busch Gardens is right down the road, and that's a really fun place to go to, especially during Halloween or Christmas time.
What I wish I had known more about CNU before I came, I wish I had known more about our research opportunities here on campus. Like being able to research as an undergrad is super exciting, and that was something I learned more coming into the university.
I applied to over 20 schools. As an out-of-state student, I wasn't really sure that I wanted to leave home, but Christopher Newport kind of offered the perfect opportunity. It was a small campus, which is exactly what I was looking for. Kind of had that tight-knit opportunity, and all the opportunities that Christopher Newport has to offer are just completely unparalleled.
It's no secret that college is pretty expensive, but the cost of college I think is really worth the professional and personal growth that I've seen in myself. I've been able to connect with people and professionals in my area of study, meet with people, push myself out of my boundaries and really get out of my comfort zone and just become a much better version of myself.
Big part about college is that you want to find some place that wants you for you. You don't just want to be a number, you want to be an individual. And you got to find some place that will accept you for that. And sort of part of that process, you just got to be yourself. Be yourself along the whole process. Don't be scared about interviews. You just got to be you, and it'll work out.
You can definitely visit www.cnu.edu, but you can also talk to our admissions staff. We have fellows who are recent graduates. They're really nice, really approachable, and they really truly do want to help students find exactly what they're looking for within the application process. You can also look at some of the social media that we have. CNU and all their sports teams, a bunch of different activities and involvements have social media presence. So it's a great way to kind of get a feel for campus as well.